Riding the Gale of Excitement, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible for everyone. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms with a focus on a particularly vivid phrase, gale of excitement. Understanding idioms like this can add depth to your language skills and help you express emotions in a more nuanced way. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. First things first, let's break down the phrase, gale of excitement. A gale is a strong wind, often associated with stormy weather. It's powerful, dynamic, and can change the environment it sweeps through. When we talk about a gale of excitement, we are not discussing the weather, but rather using this natural force as a metaphor to describe an intense, overwhelming feeling of excitement. This idiom vividly captures the essence of being swept away by strong emotions, just as a gale would sweep away anything in its path. It implies a level of excitement that is not just a breeze or a mild wind but a powerful force that can hardly be contained. To help you grasp how to use gale of excitement in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. The news of their favorite band coming to town stirred a gale of excitement among the fans. Here, the phrase is used to describe the intense enthusiasm fans felt upon hearing the news. As the gates of the new amusement park opened, a gale of excitement swept through the crowd of waiting children and adults alike. In this sentence, it illustrates the powerful surge of joy and anticipation among the people. These examples show how the phrase can be used to convey strong feelings of joy, anticipation, or enthusiasm in various contexts, from personal experiences to shared communal events. Using idiomatic expressions can be tricky for English learners, but here are some tips to master them. 1. Context is key. Understand the situation in which an idiom is used. Gale of excitement is perfect for scenarios involving strong, positive emotions. 2. Practice makes perfect. Try using idioms in your daily conversations or writing. The more you use them, the more naturally they will come to you. 3. Listen and learn. Pay attention to how native speakers use idioms in movies, TV shows, and real-life conversations. This can give you a better sense of their meaning and usage. We hope this video has added a new expression to your English vocabulary and shown you the beauty of idiomatic language. Remember, learning idioms like gale of excitement not only enriches your linguistic skills but also helps you connect more deeply with the culture of English speakers. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to let your conversations be swept away by a gale of excitement about learning English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.